Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to fix the microphone not working on your Windows laptop or computer. This applies whether you're using an internal mic in laptop or using an external one and it's just not picking up any sound. Then don't worry, I'll walk you through step by step so you can easily fix the issue. So let's get started. First click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. Once you're in the Settings window, look at the left hand side and click on System tab. Then in System, look for Sound option and click on it. Here, you'll see both output and input audio option. Scroll down a little and under the input section, you'll find your internal or external microphone. If you're using an external mic, make sure you select the correct one from the list. For example, in my case, it shows the PD200X podcast microphone from Mauno. After selecting the microphone you want to use, move to the left-hand side and click on Privacy and Security. In the Privacy and Security section, scroll down and you will see App Permissions. In App Permission, look for Microphone and click on it. Here, make sure microphone access is turned on. If it's off, just toggle it on so your system can access the microphone. Also check that Let Apps Access Your Microphone is enabled. Below that, you'll see a list of apps. If any app you want to use has microphone access turned off, go ahead and turn it on so it can properly use your mic. After making these changes, your microphone should start working. But if the issue still isn't fixed and your microphone is not working, then right-click on the sound icon in the taskbar and open Sound Settings. Then scroll down and under Advanced, you'll find the More Sound Settings option. Click on it. This will open the classic Sound Settings window. From there, go to the Recording tab and check if your microphone is listed. If you see a green check mark on it, this means Windows has recognized the device and set it as your default. Next, go ahead and right-click on your microphone. If it's already enabled, you'll see the Disable option instead. Now, right-click on any empty white space in that window and make sure Show Disabled Devices and Show Disconnected Devices are both checked. This helps you see any microphones that might be hidden. Next, right-click on your microphone again and go to Properties. In the Microphone Properties window, go to the Levels tab and increase the microphone level all the way up to 100%. These small adjustments often fix the issue right away. If your microphone is still not working, then let's try updating the driver. Right-click on the Windows Start button and open Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, find your microphone, right-click on it and select Update Driver to install the latest version. If updating doesn't help, right-click on the microphone again and this time choose Uninstall Device. Once it's removed, go to the Action tab at the top and click on Scan for hardware changes. This will reinstall the microphone driver automatically, which often fixes the problem. After that, restart your system and one of these methods should get your microphone working again. If it does, let me know in the comments which method worked for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.